what we're showing you here is the final product running in real code off an Xbox. So we're excited to be able to share this, and we're excited to bring it to gamers around the world on November 19th. If we start with your gamer card and your avatar, you know, when I first saw avatars, watching somebody create an avatar is not that much fun. But when you actually get in there and create it yourself, that's where you just I've had a blast. And so we've made it really easy to be able to create an avatar from scratch, make it look just like you if you want it to look like you. You know, when a consumer goes into the Xbox, rather than just giving them a blank person to work with, we've already got a variety of different types of avatars preloaded, so they have something to start with. You can find one that looks more like you, obviously male, female, different hairstyles, different colors, and then if you pick one that you like, you can just do sort of simple, you know, customization from there. And then so you're saying, okay, this looks more or less. Let me go in and change my hair, my eyes. In my case, I probably need to remove some hair. We'll do that. You could change the hair color. Your body type, you can make yourself taller, shorter, add a little more weight, make yourself thinner, and really making it easy for any, you know, our current users as well as new consumers to the Xbox experience to be able to quickly create and customize their own avatar. You could change your clothes, different types of shirts. You could put on different types of jeans. We've got a lot of variety of different content that will be available at launch, and obviously we'll continue to build from there. Sandals probably don't go too well there. Okay. So, and I think you saw also that you can take a gamer pic. You can use your current gamer pictures that you have, or you can take a gamer pic with your new avatar. You can have different expressions that you use, a lot of different kind of functionality that's built in here. The avatars actually came from our team at Rare, and they've had a lot of passion around this for a long time. You know, they are sort of famous for building character-style games, and so they've been doing a lot of work on the art style of the avatars. And you know, I think the idea of an avatar itself is not unique. I mean, we've had avatars in The Sims, and you know, obviously Nintendo has them and things like that. But what we've tried to do that is unique, I think, is the style of the avatars, deep customization, allowing you to integrate them into games, and also integrating it into the community. One of the designs, the ideas behind the design is to make it really simple, up, down, left, right navigation. The beauty of the channel design here, where we have a series of channels and these cards, if you will, is that while this channel loads first, my other channels are loading in the background. So one of the things that, you know, when we've looked at other types of user interface designs, is that when you tend to have a lot of, if you even see this with web pages, depending on the speed of your connection, if you have a lot of visuals all on one page, sometimes you have to wait for things to load. And we don't have that issue because we're actually loading these things, these actual things in the background. So while you're viewing one channel, other ones are populating. Back to you can see here is the your new friends channel. And I think we showed this where you can actually see how you've got your friends, what they're playing. You can quickly jump in and play a game with them. And this is where you'll have all the functionality if you want to invite them to a party. You can do live parties, you know, with 4 of your friends. You can actually go from game to game in a live party. You can share photos, really, you know, sending messages. You can do video chats, all those types of things. And then you saw the example that if you have a friend that's not at their, if they are away from their console, their avatar will just appear to be sleeping. Anybody recognize who that is? Peter Moore. Yeah. Yes. This is the games channel. We showed how you can actually go in and see detailed. All of the games will have a detailed games page where you can access all the downloadable content, screenshots. Our connection's a little bit slow here, but while that's loading, you can see the game description, all the functionality for the title. If you think about like a music game, if you want all the downloads for that game all in one place, that will all be available here. And also the ability now to be able to, you can instantly see every channel will have what new arrivals as well as the top selling items. So making it a lot easier to not just see the boxes, but what are the new items for downloadable content, for original Xbox games, you know, a variety of different ways to search and find the content that you're looking for. This interface is very much designed, you know, to support thousands and thousands of items. Marketplace is now, you know, in a variety of different channels. We have a games channel, we have a spotlight channel of new content that's available on the service. You know, so there's a lot of different ways that you can get to content. What we're basically doing will allow you to fully browse the entire marketplace, and what you can do is you can actually download content on your you can send content to download on your console. So you can basically buy content, or say you want to download something. So if you're, you know, at school or at work on your PC, you can actually send content to download on your console remotely. So it basically allows people to be able to see what's new. If people want to, you know, have a movie download, for example, in markets that have movies, or want to download a new demo for a game, they can do that without having to be at their console in the living room. The other thing that you could do, which a lot of people don't realize, is that we have built the current dashboard functionality into the guide. So for people that are used to, that want to, let's say, all of the game marketplaces available here, you can, from any game, from any point in the service, go in and browse a text list just like it exists today of all the content very quickly. People have asked, for example, when it comes to friends, like if I have 30 friends online, I just want to see my friends if they're online. Well, you'll be able to see that really quickly here. This is also where you can manage your party. You can launch a game, any game that you have stored on your hard drive, right from here. You don't have to go into Arcade. You don't have to go into your games library. You can just do quick launch, and you can launch any title that you've downloaded or any title that you've ripped to the hard drive, because now you'll have the ability to also rip your games directly to the hard drive, which will also provide faster load times as well.